Are you frustrated because Windows 11 Copilot is missing or just not working? Don't worry. Today I will show you the 100% working fixes to bring Copilot back and make it run smoothly on your PC. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support us. Let's move. First step, we have to check the Windows latest updates. To check that, go to the Windows search bar and search for Settings. Open the Settings app. Now find Windows Update. Click on that. Make sure you have connected with the internet and hit on the check for updates. Guys, Copilot only works on version 22H2 or 23H2 with the update KB5031455 or later. So update your PC for the latest version and check whether you can enable the Copilot or not. If it is not worked, then move to the next step. Enable Copilot from taskbar settings. Hit on the Windows plus I button to open the taskbar settings. Next, navigate to the personalization menu. Then scroll down, find taskbar. Click on that. Here, you need to look for the Copilot or preview, and if you find the Copilot option, toggle it on. In my case, it's already enabled. The Copilot should appear on the taskbar. Third step, fix Copilot missing after major updates. Sometimes after big updates like Windows 11 25H2, Copilot may disappear. Don't panic, it's usually hidden, not removed. Go back to the taskbar settings by hitting Windows plus I button, click on personalization and the taskbar, open it. If the toggle isn't there, it means Microsoft hasn't rolled it out in your region yet, or it already enabled on your system, that's why it's not showing here. So once after that, close the window and restart your PC once. Then move to the next step, restart Explorer or reboot. Finally, restart Windows Explorer to refresh your taskbar. Press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager. Find Windows Explorer here. Type Explorer. Here it is. Right click on that. Then you need to restart or simply reboot your PC. So after Windows update, rebooting your PC, the Copilot should now be working. And that's it guys. By updating Windows, enabling Copilot in the taskbar settings and restarting Explorer, you can fix this issue on your Windows 11 devices. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for